Hi, how are you guys? How are you doing? It's me, Teacher Martin. I welcome you to another good, wonderful life classroom. So I hope that you are doing well and that you are continuing to learn Kikuyu, Egodoma, Gikuyu. And I wish you all the best. In this lesson, I want us to look into some names of liquids in Kikuyu. Negwo, twe hamwe. Haya. We start from the first liquid. The first liquid. So we have said that we are shaking into L, I, liquid. Liquid. So I will start with the first one. The first liquid that we are going to shake is milk. Milk. Nage koyone iria. 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 Milk. Okay? We go on. The second liquid that we are going to look into is water. Oh, sorry. Water. Water is mae, 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 makonywa. Drinking water. Mae. The third liquid that we are going to look into is blood. 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 Blood in Kikuyu is da, ka, me, da, ka, me, da, ka, me, da, ka, me, da, ka, me. Good. Number four. Number four, we are going to take into another liquid that is tears. Tears. Tears is maidori. Ma I do maidori. 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 Good. 5. Another good liquid that we are going to check into is soup. Soup. Soup in Kikuyu is bufu. 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 Then the other liquid that we are going to check into is 6 is porridge. Porridge. Porridge in Kikuyu is o shoro. Oshoro. 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 Good. Our liquid number 7 is let's see which one is better here. We have this liquid called urine. 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 Urine is mabugumo. Mabugumo. Ma bu gu mo. Mabugumo. 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 Urine. Good. Number 8. We have that dirty flowing water. That dirty flowing water Like when it rains, there's that dirty water that flows, okay? Dirty flowing water. Sijui kwa Kiingereza nitaiita nini, but that is called Maria. 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 Okay? That dirty flowing water is Maria. Maria. Maria Mabura. Maria. Okay? Are we together? Let's go to the next. We have this combination when you are a cattle keeper. That is, you keep cows. You keep, yes, when you keep cows and they urinate and then they poo-poo or they excrete. There's that combination of cow dung and urine. Okay, that is called gishoro. 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 Ni na bake da. Gishoro. 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 Ni. Tuti na bere. Then we have sometimes when you are sick and you are injured against some infection, you develop some pearls, okay? Pearls, okay? That liquid that sometimes the doctor will have to press it, okay? Yes, that pearls, that part. How is it written in English? English, you are going to help me, okay? Yeah, with the pronunciation for pearls. Yes. But I'm going to write it here. In Kikuyu it is Mahira. 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 Good. Not to get an abere wega. Not to get an abere wega. Not to get an abere wega. Then we have wine. We want to put the wine. Wine. Wine in Kikuyu is difei. 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 Good. Difei. Okay. And then we have the other collection of sheep. Beer, spirits, whatever. I don't know. We have beer. Beer is johi. So if you are called to a johi, but johi and johi means beer, no comment. No comment for you. Let me see if I have another one. We have after digestion, have digested food. For instance, if you slaughter a goat, okay, there is that mixture of what the goat had eaten, okay, mixture of what goat had eaten, what it has drunk, and some other body fluid that is added to that food to aid digestion, okay? To aid digestion. Now I'm your biology teacher. To aid digestions. Yes, we have some acids, we have all that. If you slaughter that goat, that combination of what it had eaten, all those liquids and all that, that is called tada. 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 Tada wa boli. Tada wa. Yes. So, my hope is that you have learned some new vocabulary in this class, and may God bless you by the way. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly click that. Kako wapi? Ni hapa. Ni wapi? Hapa. Yes, hapo penye pa. Oh, haria kale. Click subscribe kindly. Continue commenting, sharing. If you want to have live classrooms, you can always contact me. If you want to have classroom at home and you are allowed in Nairobi, you are welcome. If you want some learning materials for Kikuyu, you can also request from me. And may God bless you. May God continue increasing you. Kindly subscribe, share, and continue learning Kikuyu with thy teacher Martin. Okay, today we have learned Iria, Mae, Thakame, Maithori, Thufu, Ucuru, Mathugumo, Maria, Gicoro, Mahira, Ndibei, Njohi, na ya mwisho twathoma tatha. Ngai akũrathime nginya hingo ĩngĩ. Bye bye.